Caspians, it's official. The Kaspa Bybit listing is happening tomorrow. We're about to dive into it, see how the community of Cas reacts to it, and check out some of the charts as well in this video. This is something that you're interested in, Caspians. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. Kaspa, what you've all been waiting for and so graciously helped make possible. Kaspa is excited to announce the upcoming listing of Cas on Bybit official spot trading platform, and that will take place from tomorrow at 10 a.m. That is awesome to see, man. That is awesome to see. The Caspians are making a ton of noise in the replies. 44.5 thousand views for this tweet. Let me make sure you guys can see it right here. That is extremely bullish, man. For you guys that don't know, Bybit is like the top 5th exchange in the space, right? Number 5, right? It's definitely in the top 5 as far as exchanges go. So Kaspa will be listed on a top 5 exchange. It's only a matter of time until we see more tier 1s like the Coinbase and the Binances, man. Cinderella, the big Cas tidal wave is coming. More and more listings give you a plethora of options to buy Cas. It's also very healthy for the volume to be spread out across a great number of exchanges. I completely agree with that. There will be a lot more coming in the future. Braver Crypto, Cas listing on tier 1 CEX Bybit official tomorrow. Let's freaking go. Explained by ChatGPT, top 5 exchange, Cas. So there you go, man. I'm telling you guys, the top, like, there's Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and I think OKX. I think those are the top 5 exchanges, right? And Cas, well, crypto.com as well. And Cas is now gonna be officially listed on Bybit. This is massive news, man. You gotta tell a friend to tell a friend that Cas is about to take off once again. FOMO Capital eyes on Kaspa this week. Look for crypto and BTC to bounce and Cas to gain more momentum. The train is leaving the station. I hope you guys got your bags packed, man. Cas right now sitting at just under 4 cents, $813 million in market cap, $21.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, and the volume is spiking right now, man. I'm telling you, the volume is up. Look at that. The volume is up 168.82%, 171%, and I'm guessing because it's because of that Bybit news, man. Luke Love, FOMO was killing me. I just bought $400 on the top of the rally. Still hope it will dip again so I can load the bags heavy. From Hugo, Cas will reach $10. Mark my words. Okay, man. You got some hodl emojis there. Now you got 6 hodl emojis for that. Jim Ski Bum, what do you know? Highest top 100 gainers of the day goes to Kaspa. Highest top 100 gainers of the day, 15.8% up, goes to Kaspa. Caspians, make some noise, man. Escander, Cas biggest proposition, not completely yet understood by the masses, is as following. Cas layer 1 and block and transaction speed, scalability and security will disrupt and make all layer 2 projects redundant. And I spoke about it in a video. Are layer 2s necessary? You guys could go back and watch that, right? Because, you know, the thought process in the space was that because layer 1s aren't scalable, you'll have to implement layer 2s to scale. But why not just scale the layer 1? Like, keep upgrading the technology so the layer 1 can scale. And that's what we see with Kaspa, right? So just like Escander says right here, Cas, with its transaction speed, scalability, and security, it will disrupt and make all layer 2 projects redundant. With smart contracts, we could say RIP to ETH, Matic, OP, Arbitrum, and many others built to scale ETH. This is the power of a next generation currency and block DAG solution like Cas, right? Number 3 spot, and then eventually that number 2 spot. Smart Wealth Academy, Cas played out pretty much how I thought, although was front run a bit. Now we wait and see what happens next. And you see that breakout in Cas. We're going to take a look at the charts in a sec. From Kaspa number 1, Cas same days when it was under 1 cent. No one believed me, and now no one of my friends even bought it. Now all of my friends enter at 3 cent plus. Don't be like them, just do it and hold it for a few months. Enjoy your profits, man. Patience, man. The Bitcoin halving is closer than we think, and Cas is taking the world by storm, man. Tu madre, Kaspa is on beast mode again, guys. And as you guys can see right here, my lines have been drawn for a minute, and as you guys can see, Cas came back down to this support. It broke out of this resistance. It didn't do it last night in the live stream, but now it did, and it officially broke out of the resistance. And this is a powerful move, man. This is a very strong move here, right? This is a nice breakout above the resistance at 3.6 cent. People are looking for that 2.8 cent, 3 cent mark for Cas back down, somewhere back down here, right? And after this move, man, I think because this move was so strong, like, it's gonna definitely be able to retest, right, at that 3.6 cent and break out, continue the breakout, or it'll just keep popping up from here, right? It'll just keep going from here. So we'll see that. See what happens. It's probably gonna go up to retest the all-time high, guys. And we also see the Kaspa hash rate keeps breaking out, man. Keeps going to new all-time highs, guys. And what have we said on the channel? When the hash rate is going up, price, typically follows, man. Moonshot Josh, probably nothing. The Kaspa hash rate at 18.83 PHS. And again, this is the same levels that Bitcoin was at in 2013 and 2014, man. That's a great sign, man. From Sei, Cas, simple and real. Perfect bounce once again from Cas. One of the cleanest coins to trade at the moment. Wow. And, we respect the TA in Cas, man. It came down to this support line for the continued uptrend. And you can see the breakout right here. And as you guys can see from Sei, 18 cents on the way for Cas, man. This is about to get extremely wild, okay? From Jim Skibum, when a coin is fear launched and undervalued with strong fundamentals, this is what the chart does. No pre-mine, no ICO, no VCs, no budget for CX listings or development. Instead, a natural, organic, bottom-up, community-focused approach, laying a rock-solid foundation primed for sustainable growth. And as you guys can see, man, this is what a great projects look like, man. This is what a true great project looks like. This is a unicorn, man. This is one of those projects that, you can't ignore. You really can't ignore it, because these are the once in a lifetime projects that don't come around often, right? So you have to get exposure to Cas, man. You have to, even if you can't afford 100,000, even if you could just afford 10,000 Cas, we're here in crypto to make gains, man. Would you be happy with 10,000 to potentially 50,000 once Cas goes to $1 to $5? I would be, right? I would definitely be happy with that. So even if you can't afford, a crazy bag of Cas, man, even that 10,000 bag, 10,000 Cas could go extremely far in the future, man. This chart is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful, and we're seeing that breakout once again. From Dan, so Cas went straight to retest the 0.04 cent price. If it breaks past this resistance, it will certainly retest the last all-time high of 5 cents. I think that it will hype around. Hype around Cas is real. A lot of things are happening right now. Tomorrow is the Bybit official listing. Then is the new testnet and the Rust mainnet beta launch. So let's wait and see. The coming days are going to be interesting. And as you can see here, man, that breakout, even from my chart, that breakout, and that is a powerful breakout, man. That is a very strong. It didn't just come up and tap it and just get above it a little. It was a powerful breakout above this resistance. And it could just go straight to retesting the all-time highs at 5.1 cent up here, man. Guys, Caspians, I hope you guys are excited, because I am. It's freaking amazing to see. Let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Turn on all notifications. Share with your friends and family. Bybit is here. You know, beta 10 BPS is here. So much hype and news and awareness and just everything is here for man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Sincerely appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.